I'm at my secret mushroom spot. What? So, so I just wanted to show you these mushrooms at my secret mushroom spot. And the different sizes they come in. You see? And they're all back here. Oh, look at the size of those back there. I got to show you before these helicopters come back. Oh man, they're all over back here. This is easier than falling over a log. So yeah, and definitely we want to fall down there. Or down here. So here we have it. Hopefully they didn't recognize me down here. That is huge. There we have it. Professor DK and Associates are always looking out for me. Yes. Let's get out of here. Oh yeah. Look at them little back here. Jeez. I hope these aren't edible and I'm leaving them here. Maybe I should bring some home. Alright, so once you get a little bigger, they open up like that, okay? Alright. Like I said, let's break this open. I did it earlier, but DK and Associates weren't around. We have the bulbous end here. Let's break this. It's meaty. It's got some weight to it. Anyway, there is a lot of them. I wish these were all. I ran into this many chanterelles, but I only got about 4. 2 decent size and one's very small. All right, let's get out of here before they send out the sky police. Here's the red ones that I mentioned that were here last year. Okay, these were the ones, and these have gills. I saw them over there last year. But these big tan ones, I didn't see those before. Let me get them off of this log. Some shroomer comes by and steals my spot, or Professor DK and Associates. Looks like it's bruising already too. You can see how fast it's bruising. It's probably a good mushroom. I'll find out. Somebody will know. And then I'll Google it and have more confidence when I read up on it. That's one of the red ones decaying there. Decaying, how about that? Yeah. So, alright. Bunch of turkey chunkies. False or whatever. There we go. It's rare that we have any. Jeez, this stuff is all over the place. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This one is like a really even. Let's put it in the sun. Look at that. It's amazing looking. They're big. All right. Over there. Okay. Let's head out.